Not too bad. What are you saying?
I'm from North Bay.
From North Bay?
I was coming up here to get dicked over by a Kijiji guy, and I want to show all the time.
You
I wanted to say hi.
You're getting dicked over by a Kijiji guy?
Yeah, for a transmission.
Fuck, that's a good deal.
Can I look at your Dodge?
Sure.
Oh, mine? Fuck yeah. I can't believe you're here. Fuck me.
Well, I guess, but it's gonna sting terrible.
Yeah. I really appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, no worries.
Right on, Chris. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries.
We'll talk again.
Yeah, have a good one.
Take care.
Smoke cigarettes.
I will.
You best. Oh, friggin' rights, boys. It was just friggin' rainier as frig last night. Turned the whole yard into a swamp bog. Hey. But, and it's, oh, it was snowing this morning too. So it's just freezing as frig out cold out. Look at the little raboon. Look at the little raboon. But, yeah, I think this thing is going to be very much in the utilization factor. Big time. But, got major mess to clean up back here. Like, the truck was so rusty, it just left like holy suffering, boys. Wow. So I'll probably get old Darchie out here in a minute, in a friggin' minute. But yeah, just fire up old Rusty here, and we'll drag the dump trailer over probably, and right on. So just moved old Dumpy over here quick. Oh, we'll have to get Darchie out with the rake. I think that's the plan. Eh? Get Darchie on the rake. We'll chuck all this crap on the trailer. We'll empty out the bin, dip in the bin, load up the cab, and then I don't even know if this is any worth having. She's pretty friggin' rusty. Hey, probably not even worth friggin' having, to be honest with you. But yeah, load her up, haul her in. Box. Oh, I got this area cleaned up a little bit anywards. Got Darchie empty in the bin. Gonna move a couple vehicles. I think that Sebring's gonna be the next one on the sawhorses. But still gonna pull the wheels and tires and fuel tank and bullshit off this. And I decided the axle's no good. I mean, I might pull the shafts out of it or whatever if it's you know, reasonable, but we'll just load her up and get her freaking ready. But comes the time of the year, boys, we got to get rid of these piles of dirt, and then we can make quite a bit more room. Look how much this trailer's sunk into the ground though too. Like, oh, and this is just recent. Like that stick, we were using that before winter to do some stuff. So we're gonna have to unload this whole trailer, and we got another container and different things. Really, we need to unload all the containers, set up the shelves, because I got lots of shelves now, and you know, set it all up, and then put everything away where it sort of goes. But move all this shit, get under here. You can see the line Marmadukers are just stabbing right in, like to the point where it's like denting the metal. So that's less than ideal. But when we first put it here, you could get this thing underneath there, no problem. So like it sunk 2 feet. Okay? And there was like blocks of wood under there, and they were just completely crushed right into the ground. Ridiculous. But yeah, this is the old berm. Quit. Had to get the 50-footer in here, but the plan is I want to get rid of this trailer so as we can park the 50-footer over here. I put it for sale and had lots of interest in it, but I don't know, I kind of want to keep it because there's water right on the other side of this friggin' thing, so it wouldn't be frig all to hook the liquids up to it. And we just put a friggin' tank in there that we can get pumped out. Stool bus, hey, we'll just call them the stool bus, and yeah, run a cable from the building just across the way there. No big deal, right? So have power, sewer, tank, and water. I just need a propane tank hooked up, and then we have the Mumpy Sweet 5000. Eh? Friggin' right. But so yeah, if anybody's interested in this transport truck trailer, getting rid of her cheap, terrible. let me freaking know. Should roll and everything once we get it unstuck out of the ground. The brakes have been caged already, so tires are holding there still. Haven't had it too long, 6 years or so. It'll be this Sebring and the Rendezvous. Be the next ones on the chopping block there, and then we can get the dump trailer in here, move that dirt, dump it at the neighbors, take it over there, move that berm, bring it over to the neighbors, take it over there, move the berm behind that truck, and we'll probably straighten out, well actually if the transport truck trailer is going, we'll probably get rid of this huge pile of dirt here too, which will be much more better. But anyways boys, just slave labor and friggin' dirty Darchie, friggin' relentless. Where is he? How you doing? Just belligerent. But anyways, goodness gracious. Freaking bearing just fell right out. Right into the kitty poops. Great. Great. We got them off. Look at the state of this one. You see a hole right up through it. But just crushes right in. Why would you want it to focus though? That'd be jacked, eh? That wouldn't be a Pug 1 movie. But yeah, no friggin' good. The other side was pretty good, but if we're doing them, might as well do them, I suppose. The old lady brought me a regular sugar finger. She did. What? Look at the smut. That's after giving it a thorough cleaning. I mean, on the truck, not right now, right? I'm gonna give her the old diesel tech and how you doing? Clean a peony, you know how it is. But yeah, this side no go. Oh, there. But yeah, it'll be all right. We'll get them out of there, paint them up, clean them up, paint them up, give them the how you doing. Probably paint them red. Oh fuck, I'm ridiculous, but yeah, the cap is held in by the race. So I don't know if it makes something or what, or are you just supposed to chisel that out? But yeah, you gotta get the old raculator out before yeah, can replace the cap. So still friggin' pipe. But we still gotta order parts and this and that, and I gotta clean that up anyway. So get the air compressor going, friggin' give those a quick how you doing, get them in the blaster, piece of peony, get a little bit of the primers onto them anyway, and then still friggin' pipe. Oh, I'm not sure how much of that I got. I was a little busy, but yeah, I got the knuckles and the kingpins and shit, friggin' caps, all soon boosted. Man, that took forever. My back is dicked. Oh, holy suffering. My ears feel like they're gonna pop too. Wow, that was dick. That took for absolutely ever. It works pretty good, but it still took for friggin' ever, you know what I mean? The way, when I first got it, you wouldn't even have been able to do that. It wouldn't blast the fuzzers off your nutsack for frig's sakes, but yeah, I was hoping I was gonna be able to get a little bit more done today for frig's sakes, but away she goes, expect. We'll paint the rest of these bits red, eh? Oh, goodness gracious, I'm just pulling your cigarette. I'm gonna do the rest black. Do the rest black. And then, yeah, but I quit. Tonight I quit. Wow. Yeah, this is decked. So, I'll come back out tomorrow and do some more stuff. Might have to go see the metal dicks tomorrow. I got a plan for the loader, forks. It's a friggin' plan that I come up with there. So, we'll friggin' see if we can't score a couple chunks from the metal dicks. And, yeah, we got to do some painting and some cleaning and some scrubbing and some part ordering and dust cap and bearing race friggin' pressing out there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta go. This is how much or something. Friggin' big time. Oh my goodness. What am I gonna do with myself? Anyways, boys, know you guys love the 80 tree. I know you guys fucking love the 80 tree relentless. And you pug one same. But yeah. Hopefully 11, 12 more Dana 60 episodes. Now that's it. Eh? But anyways, boys, appreciate the Patreon. Finger fudge, get that like button. Couple of itches for a week, but hundreds, there you go. Another dick problem. Until tomorrow.
Don't let the Walters get you.